Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Safety and Alignment, Building Responsible AI Systems. Imagine you're building a robot dog. AI safety is like making sure it doesn't accidentally bite someone or chew up your furniture. It's about preventing unintended harmful consequences from our AI systems as developers. We need to build in safeguards. Think of AI alignment like training a puppy. You want it to sit when you say, sit, not chase squirrels. We need to align AI's goals with our own, ensuring it performs tasks as intended and doesn't develop unexpected behaviors. This involves careful design and training of the AI. Imagine a robot judge trained only on cases where the defendant was male. It might be biased against female defendants. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, so will the AI. As developers, we must actively identify and mitigate biases in our datasets and algorithms. Think of this like someone secretly feeding your robot dog the wrong food. Data poisoning involves manipulating the training data to make the AI behave erratically or maliciously. We need to secure our training data and develop robust systems to detect these attacks. Imagine a black box. You put something in and get something out, but you don't know what happened inside. That's what unexplainable AI is like. We need to make AI more transparent so we can understand its decisions and debug problems as developers. We use techniques to make the AI's reasoning more visible. Just like testing software, we need to rigorously test AI systems to catch errors and biases before they're deployed to the real world. This includes various types of testing to make sure the AI is reliable and safe. Building responsible AI means considering the ethical implications of our work. Think about the impact on society, privacy concerns, and potential job displacement. Developers should have a clear ethical framework for their projects. AI safety is an ongoing challenge. As AI systems become more powerful, we need to develop more sophisticated safety mechanisms and ethical guidelines. It's a collaborative effort between researchers, developers, and policymakers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.